Sanibonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel, your channel, everybody's channel. Today we're speaking about the MK party, Umkhonto Wesizwe, iparty ka President Jacob Zuma, aqalile nje, because after even my frustrations with the ANC. Sizokhumbula ukuthi after that he was arrested and there was a lady assistor Kathuzo Meboshiwe, the lady who was very gentle, and sikhumbula kwikhathi zo COVID ngalezo sikhathi a lady was very gentle with him emkhombisa emgenqisa izithupha emnakekela. That lady ke igama lakhe kwakuCollen Makhubela esebenza njengojele. Kutheke kuJacob Zuma mangabe seqala iparty yakhe his MK party bahamba bayomlanda uCollen Makhubela ukuze azothola isikhundla. Singasho ukuthi shuthi obviously they were just bemnikeza or to thank her for being gentle toward President Jacob Zuma when he was arrested. Then he was part of the parcel, was a chief whip of the MK party a parliament. Izinja-ke manje kuthose khonje indlela owe-MK bathi-ke kulandela uphenyo langaphakathi. Iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe MK selixoshwa uSontswembu walo wasePhalamende uCollen Makhubela. Esikhundleni sakhe kwafaka ilungu lePhalamende uDes van Rooyen. Sizomkhumbula uDes van Rooyen ukuthi wakuba Minister for Finance for 2 days ngezikhathi zakhe uJacob Zuma so president. Actually not for 2 days, for 2 days. Ngoba it was midnight, so again, guys, remember what President Jacob Zuma used to shuffle the parliament at night almost every day. Midnight, he will always do decisions. Wangena fast Rooyen lowo wangena 2 days waphinde wakhishwa ngakusasa, whatever but it was midnight, but it was not even the whole 2 days. Kuthiwa iqembu ke selithatheke ukuthi ke esikhundleni sakhe ke uCollen la lithatha ke uDes lafaka yena. Istatement lesesikhishwe esemthethweni esikhishwe iMK abayibalanga izathu zokuxosha ukaMakhubela. Kodwa ke umthombo wangaphakathi eqenjini uthi lesinqumo silandela umbiko wangaphakathi onquma ukumiswa kwakhe. Umbiko wangaphakathi oyimelana noCollen uphakamisa ukuthi amiswe emsebenzini ukuze kuphenye. Kodwa ke sasesinabo ubufakazi, sasingekho isidingo sokuphenye. Amaqiniso ayekhona ngakho kumele ahambe kusho umthombo. Isitatimende ngokuqokwa kwaFan Roy yona sithi iqembu leMK linethemba eligcwele lokuthi ngaphansi kobuholi bakhe njengosontswembu omkhulu iCaucus yePhalamende izoqiniswa, iqondiswe izigwegwe futhi ihambisane nomgomo oyingqophamlando weqembu wokuletha inkululeko ephelele yabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Hey guys, istatement esiqhubeka sathi ke iqembu liyaqinisekisa liphinde liqinisekise nabalandeli balo ukuthi akukho okubo okwenzakalayo ngaphakathi okanye futhi okwenzakalayo ebuholini, zonke izinto zisahamba kahle. Laphinde laqinisekisa iqembu la MK ukuthi eParliament njengoba sekukhona uFan Rooyen nje izinto zizohamba kahle and nolobuhulu busha buzonothisa umsebenzi weCaucus bucije ukugxila kwezepolitiki futhi bukhulisa amandla ayo okumela intando yabantu okumela intando yabantu ngaphandle kokuyekethisa. Basically wabhaliswa serious la kodwa bathi nje njengoba esefile uFan Rooyen lapha ePhalamende uzoqinisa izinto zihambe kahle aqondise negweg. Umthombo wangaphakathi uthi the reason why uCollen Makhubela exoshiwe uqabane noJudge John Hlophe bexabene John Hlophe uyena uthatha isinqumo sokuthi uyamthatha lo sisi uyamkhipha. Ukhala ngokuthi ke usisi lo ubefuna ukuphendla isikhundla aphendlele umyeni wakhe, lokho kwenza ukuthi ke uJudge Hlophe angajabuli ngalokho. Bathi ke uGelu elobhishela uhusband wakhe kuthiwa ukhona ne-tender ne-paperwork ayithathile wayithatha lo contract wayilinga noJudge John Hlophe uJudge John Hlophe engazi lutho ngalo contract. Kube-ke lokho sekudala-ke i-tension between u-Deputy President uJudge Hlophe kanye naye-ke lo sisi lo. Zokhumbula futhi ukuthi MK isanda kuqoka a second Deputy President after uJudge John Hlophe, kusho ukuthi manje sibe babili kunoThoni Yengeni bese kuba noJudge John Hlophe bese kuba khona ke phezulu ke yena ke ubaba uJacob Zuma. So this is what's it for now. Colleen has been suspended and been removed in the parliament, and the new person ongena khona uDes van Rooyen ozophinda abe chief whip we MK njengamanje.